Hi everyone, and welcome to Neural Network, and welcome to this new series on NumPy. In this series, we will be diving deep into the world of NumPy, and it is a powerful library for scientific computing in Python. And we will learn how to use NumPy to perform various mathematical and stats operations on array and matrices. Whether you are a beginner or experienced person in Python or Python developer, this series is for you. So let's get started. So what things we will cover in the NumPy playlist? So we will cover NumPy fundamentals and NumPy array creations. There are various different ways to create the NumPy arrays. So then we will go for the NumPy array indexing and slicing concepts and NumPy array attributes, and there are various functions for the NumPy, so we will cover that. Then we will cover various array operations. Then we will go for the NumPy, like how it is different from the Python list. Then we will go for NumPy reshaping, plotting graphs, transpose, stacking concepts, and then we will cover at the end we will cover some NumPy tricks. So there are various advanced level tricks that we will also cover, and the NumPy array manipulation concepts. So that is the brief introductions to NumPy, and in the next videos we will start exploring NumPy in more detail, and we will see how to create arrays and perform mathematical operations on them. So stay tuned.